Welcome to InvestoSphere, the ultimate place where you learn how to earn, build wealth, and create financial freedom in today's digital world. If you're a freelancer, service provider, creative professional, or business owner, this video is going to open doors for you. Today, we're diving into one of the most important, overlooked strategies to consistently attract high-paying clients. We're talking about building a professional portfolio website. Yes, in an age of social media and marketplaces, your personal website still holds incredible power. It builds credibility, showcases your skills, and most importantly, turns cold visitors into paying clients. So sit tight, grab your notebook, and let's explore the step-by-step blueprint to create a client magnet portfolio website. Part 1. Why every professional needs a portfolio website. Social media changes, platforms go down, but your website is yours forever. It builds trust. People trust what they can see, read, and verify. You control the messaging, the layout, the experience. Helps you stand out from 99% of freelancers who rely only on profiles. Serves as a central hub for your content, testimonials, services, and contact. It works for you 24 hours, 7 days, even while you sleep. A well-designed portfolio site is a silent salesman. It talks to your prospects long before you do. Part 2. What a high-converting portfolio site must have. Let's break down the essential elements that every client-getting portfolio must include. Professional branding, your logo or personal signature, a clear, modern design style, consistent color palette, strong headline and introduction. Explain who you are and what you do in under 5 seconds. Hook your visitor with value, not fluff. Your services, clear list of what you offer, packages or pricing if possible. Portfolio samples, real work with context and results, case studies or visual mock-ups, testimonials and social proof, reviews from real clients, trust-building quotes or videos, call to action, CTA, contact form, email link, or calendar booking, button with clear wording like, let's work together, about page, your story, credentials, mission, human connection matters, blog or content section, optional, helps with SEO, positions you as an expert. Contact page. Make it easy for prospects to reach you. Mobile optimization. Over 60% of visitors will be on mobile. Part 3. Tools to build your portfolio website. No coding required. You don't need to be a developer. These tools make it easy. Wix, drag and drop simplicity. Squarespace, great templates for creatives. Webflow, more control and customization. WordPress with Elementor, endless plugins and flexibility. Card, perfect for single-page portfolios. Use tools like Canva or Figma to create visual assets. Use Unsplash or Pexels for royalty-free images. Part 4. Writing copy that converts visitors into clients. Start with your ideal client in mind. Use language they understand. Focus on results, not features. Address their pain points and offer solutions. End each section with a CTA. For example, instead of saying, I design websites, say, I help small businesses build websites that convert visitors into paying customers. Part 5. Showcasing your work strategically. Use before and after visuals. Explain the client's problem and your solution. Add metrics if available, like increased leads by 70%. Make it visual, interactive, and easy to scroll. Your goal is to let the work speak for itself, but also to frame it in a story that connects with your visitors' needs. Part 6. Building trust through social proof. Ask happy clients for testimonials. Use headshots or logos to add authenticity. Add trust badges like worked with 50+ clients or as seen on. Link to real case studies or external reviews. Social proof isn't optional. It's a conversion tool. Part 7. How to drive traffic to your portfolio. Share on LinkedIn and Twitter regularly. Post value-driven content related to your services. Join Facebook or Reddit groups. Answer questions on Quora or forums with your link in bio. Run small paid ads if your site is ready. Add your site link on your email signature and business cards. A beautiful site with no visitors is a hidden treasure. You need eyes on it. Part 8. Using your portfolio to close clients. Guide prospects to your site before call. Use your case studies during pitches. Collect client questions and create an FAQ section. Include a calendar scheduling tool like Calendly. Respond to inquiries fast. Speed builds trust. Your site should be part of your client journey, not just a digital brochure. Part 9. Portfolio site mistakes to avoid. Using generic templates without customization. Not updating your work or removing outdated samples. Having no CTA or making it hard to contact you. Writing in third person with too much jargon. Using low-quality images or fonts. Make your site an experience, not just an online resume. Part 10. Scaling with your portfolio website. Start a blog to attract organic traffic. Add a newsletter sign-up to nurture leads. Launch a digital product related to your service. Use heat maps and analytics to optimize your layout. Build your brand with consistent content. As you grow, your website becomes more than a portfolio. It becomes your personal business engine. You've just unlocked the entire blueprint to building a portfolio website that doesn't just look good, but brings in real, paying clients. Remember, the digital world rewards visibility, clarity, and professionalism. Your portfolio website is a 24/7 employee that works for you while you're asleep, traveling, or enjoying your life. Now here's what you can do next. Hit that like button if you found this valuable. Subscribe to InvestoSphere for more detailed guides on online income and digital strategies. Leave a comment sharing your niche and what you plan to include on your portfolio website. And before we end, here's a question to think about. If a client visited your portfolio site right now, would they feel confident enough to hire you? If not, what's the one thing you'll change today to make that happen? Think about it. Your next big client might already be searching. Make sure your digital front door is ready. Thanks for watching. This is InvestoSphere, where your online earning journey becomes reality.